In this video, you will learn how to configure your own dashboard by customizing your columns, search in the dashboard, and export your search into a CSV file. In order to get into TPM, you will start by going to Administrative and School Services, and then you'll select PowerTPM. So long as you're logged in to your DDSB account, it will automatically log you in. For this particular video, I will be using a test account. Within the listings card, users can customize which columns appear in the table. This setting can be configured at the dashboard template level and further chosen by the user. Select the three dots on the top right corner of the listings card, then select Configure. Use the toggles to select which fields are visible and not. You can also move fields around in the desired order by dragging and dropping them as shown. Click Apply and Save. Users will have the option to restore the default settings or to revert to the last save using these buttons. And you'll notice now that they are in order according to what I chose. When searching in TPM, a filter can be applied for those seeking to refine the students appearing in the listings card. The filter works in conjunction with the form selected in the Form dropdown. The default search value defaults to Person Status Active. So you only see the records of students who are active at that location. For example, this hides students who have left the DDSB. By default, your dashboard search will look at only the most recent created record. If you would like your search to return results for all records, add a new filter, records to include is all records. Within the listings card search, the plus icon can be used to add additional filters. Icon is used to remove a filter. When you have chosen all your filters, select the Apply button. The listings card will be updated with the students that match your parameters. You can select a student to view their profile. You'll notice that this view is the same as before with the old dashboard. If you want to keep your search parameters on the dashboard so you can quickly find other students on the list you created, you can return to them the Home button. Just to note, if a person is missing in your search when a filter has been applied, it's because the data present within their record does not match your filters, or because they have not been added to the listings card. To include them in your results, remove your filters and inspect their record. Update their records so the data matches your filters, then reapply them. If you cannot find a student, you're going to need to add them. To do so, you'll select the Add button in the top right corner of the listings card. In your search criteria, you will select the status, the role, and the last name, or another option to find the student. Then you can add them and start working on their form. From the listings card menu, we have the ability to export what is displayed on the listing card results to CSV in the listings card header. Under the three dots, there's an option to export your results to a CSV or Excel file by selecting the Export to CSV. Your results will automatically export into Excel so that you can work with the data there. Finally, to sign out from the dashboard, simply select the person icon in the top right corner and sign out.